Hi everyone, tonight we are going to be making our multi-purpose liquid soap, and we're using just three ingredients. Just three. We have your SLS, generally called the rice, we have the Texapon, we have the table salt, and we have our perfume there and also our colors. But your major ingredients are just three. All right, so you don't need to break the bank to have your multi-purpose liquid soap. The salt in this soap is for preservation. It preserves your fabrics and makes you really look, fine. All right, this are Texapon, that's our SLS, and also we have our perfume. It's going to make the soap to smell really good. And we have our water, which is our base. We have the measuring spoons, but it's optional. All right, you can make your soap as you want it. Today we are going to be making 2 liters, just 2 liters. So we have 200 ml, or let's say about 200 grams of SLS in our water. We're going to mix it together to make it dissolve it. All right, so turn it like that and it will dissolve. Remember, this is a multi-purpose liquid soap. You can use it for your clothes, you can use it for plates, you can use it for your cars and every other things you want to wash. Now we are adding our Texapon. Now listen here, you mix your Texapon and your salt together to form a paste before adding it to the SLS mixture. All right, yes, you mix both together to form a paste. If you don't do that, you may have lumps in your mixture. So the reason it is mixed together to form a paste is so that it doesn't have lumps in your production. You mix until you get a smooth consistency. Then you turn it over into your SLS production, XLS mixture. Don't forget, you turn it over, then you mix it together. The moment you turn the salt and Texapon solution into your SLS, it gets thick. You begin to have a thick paste. At this junction, you can add more water. At this junction, you may just leave it like that without adding colors to it. But right now, I am going to add color to make it look like the everyday, soap that we are used to. You can see that demonstration. I'm going to add the salt and the Texapon solution into our XLS. We have done that. Yes, I'm doing that again here. Then we're going to mix together. You're going to see the consistency right now. It's changing. You see how thick it is. Wow. In fact, our soap is ready right now. It's very, very ready. Yes, as you're looking at it right now, it's ready. Very ready. You can see how thick it is. So you can add water at this point to get whatever consistency you want. I'm adding a little water right now. You can see that it's still thick because we're still going to leave it for like 3 to 4 hours. So that all the ingredients can blend together. We're leaving it here for that moment so that all the ingredients can get together. Now we're adding the perfume. Just a little goes a long way, right? We're adding the perfume. You can see how thick it is. We're still going to add water, alright? Depending on what you want. But the lighter it is, the better for you. Alright. You can see how thick. Right now your soap is ready. Even if you don't add colors right now, it is super ready. All that is needed right now is to leave it for 3 to 4 hours. I'm going to add little colors here, like I said, to bring out the beauty, and so that it looks like your everyday soap. We're going to turn it together. Then we will leave it to rest for 3 to 5 hours. I'm just going to let this rest for 3 hours. Then we are going to complete the rest. You see, your soap is made just 3 ingredients. Your SLS, which is generally called the rice, is sodium chloride, something like that. Then your Texapon and your table salt. It's just a general table salt. Now, for people that will ask for measurements, 200 grams of SLS, 100-gram cup of table salt, and 100-gram cup of your Texapon. You can see that. We're going to leave it for 3 to 5 hours. Like I said, I'm just going to leave mine for 3 hours. And after the 3 hours, we are going to come back to see the consistency of the soap. Check it out. It's lighter than what it was, and it's really looking lovely right now. Yeah, it's really looking lovely. Can you see that? Can you see? It's lighter than when we first mixed it. It's really looking nice. This is after 3 hours. You can still add water, even as it is right now. You can still add water to it. Yeah, you can add water to it so that you get a lighter consistency. Yeah, look at it. It's looking beautiful, right? Just 3 ingredients. Yeah, your colors and your perfume. I'm showing you that it foams well. And you see that it's very foamy, it smells good, and it washes clean. Very foamy, smells good. All right, let's just bottle a little. Look at how thick it is, even though we've added so much water. So you can just make this easily from your kitchen, and check it out. See how foamy it is. Using it to wash some fabrics, and the salt in it preserves your fabrics. It doesn't make it fade, and you can even add as much water as you want.